Hanging nest. Ayan siya guys. Hanging nest. Wala mang itlog ata. Baka maliit lang. Hanging nest guys. Hanging. Galing, di ba? Hanging nest guys. Tingnan natin kung may itlog. Wala man.